and I put I put a light on because I just need more light for this doggone process. And you can see through there what I'm doing. I'm just making the hole. So I can bring this up here like this. And we'll bring this forward and just I'll lean into it and carve away quite a bit of the metal. No different than the lathe would do. I'm just doing it by hand. And you might say, but why are you doing it by hand? Well, and we're getting a little closer. We're still not there. See, the problem when you go with mechanization is you have a tendency to take too much off. I'd just rather do it by hand, you know? And you always, of course, have to stop the machine. Well, how far away am I off? Quite a bit. So I come up, lock the tailstock, bring this forward by hand. Lean into it. Now I'm close to where I want to be. I'm not there yet, but I'm much closer than I was. Bring it back. Ah, now see, it's sticking, it's in there. See, it will go in. Let me bring you over here so you can see what I'm looking at right now. Let's try that angle. See, it will go in. But it's too hard to, it takes too much force to do it once the button's not on this anymore. You know what I mean? It won't go on easy right now. Once I get the button done, I couldn't push it on with my fingers. It's got a little bit too much pressure to require that. So I got to keep going just a little bit further, not much. But see how quickly this cut? So we come here. I come here just a little bit more. There we go. There we go. I'm going to bet that's just about it. Perfect. Snug. Perfect. Nice snug. Okay, that completes the job there. Now you can see there's metal filings there. And so now we're going to actually cut this button and I'm going to shape it. There's a lot of things involved in this. I